Hi, my name is Justin Schrock and I'm the Development Director here at Orange City Christian School. This message is for you, parents and families of the OCCS community. We want to personally invite you to next week, Thursday, April 29, to an open house that we have here at the school. Now, I know what you're thinking right away. Are you kidding me? One more thing for the calendar for us to do? I get that. But on behalf of the Share Committee, which is part of the Promotions Committee, we want to invite you to come when you can, leave when you must. A great night of a community building event. Now, we have a few things in store where we need you to pay attention. First, there will be food. We know that. We're going to have Pizza Ranch pizza available for $1 a slice. That will be held in the new music room. Secondly, you got to have some entertainment, a reason to gather. We're going to be hosting the Sioux Falls Great Plains Zoo. Their mobile zoo experience will be coming and having two identical shows. One at 4:45 until 5:30, and then again at 6 o'clock to 6:45 in our school gymnasium. Now here's the most important thing. We need your help. We want you to invite a friend. Bring another family, bring a neighbor, a coworker, maybe it's your sister or your brother, maybe it's a young couple with a young child who's not at school age, or maybe a young married couple who don't even have kids yet, but intend to. We want more kids, more families to be connected with OCCS, but we need your help. It's not what you know, but it's who you know. And we know that you know people who want to be a part of OCCS. So as you come on Thursday night, we invite you to come through the new music center doors. In the lobby, you'll be greeted. But if you can bring a guest, bring somebody who's interested in checking out OCCS, we need their information so we can continue the conversation. And as a bonus incentive, if you do bring somebody who is going to fill out an information card for a first-time family, we'll have a drawing, and that family and the person who refers them can get a gift certificate towards the Menaica tent or Tiger Paws tent. So, come when you can, leave when you must. We'll hope to see you on April 29 from 4:30 to 7 at OCCS.